Now we will show you how to replace the water filter. First, remove the water filter cover of the unit. Next, turn the water filter holder knob clockwise about 40 degrees and lift the water filter to take out. Insert 2 O-rings into the bottom of the new water filter. Check the mounting position well and insert the filter firmly. Then put the filter holder back and lock. Press the reset button of the water filter.
Filter reset.
Replace the water filter cover. While the power button is turned off, run the water for 3 minutes to adapt the filter to water. Please be sure to use our genuine water filter for replacement, as other filters may cause problems.